Timbeter is the easiest and quickest solution for measuring groundwood and managing all the data digitally. Take a photo of a timber pile with your smartphone or tablet. Timbeter instantly does the number crunching. All the data is also available in real time in the cloud. The data can be easily shared and traced throughout the logistics chain. Timbeter solutions consist of two parts: a mobile app for making and processing the measurements, and the storage module, the cloud storage with online inventory and reporting features. Among the benefits, Timbeter provides time and cost efficiency, sustainable forest management, fair trade, digitalization, reduction of human error, and many more. Timbeter is a global solution for efficient, transparent, and data-driven timber supply chain management. Our mission is to save essential and limited resources in the forestry: trees, labor force, and driven miles. Visit our website timbeter.com or find us on LinkedIn, Facebook, and Twitter.